The flow rate seems consistent with the projection.
Yes, and the temperature is holding steady.
Flow rate is stable. Gates are clear for the next sequence.
Confirmed.
Flow rate adjusted, we're green across the board.
Are the temperature readings stable on line 4?
Yes, parameters confirmed. Everything is running smoothly.
I'm regulating the flow now.
The meter looks stable.
Keep it steady.
The interface shows green across the board.
Excellent. Let's keep monitoring the flow rate.
Keep an eye on the pressure valve. I'm increasing the flow.
It's holding steady. Gauge looks good.
Temperature stabilized at 1500 Celsius. Proceeding with the pour.
Confirmed. Flow rate is optimal.
The alignment on the far side is spot on.
Agreed. The tolerances are well within spec. Let's move to the next sequence.
See how the automation handles this seam right here? The heat input is critical for the alignment tolerance.
Looks good. We should check the gauge again after cooling.
Check the specs for the next panel here.
Looks good. We are clear to attach.
According to the schematic, this support goes here. Yes, that aligns with the insulation layer we just installed.
Are these cables routed correctly according to the schematic?
Yes, the alignment looks perfect on the tablet. Proceed with securing them.
Check the alignment on section 7. The tolerances are tight here.
Confirmed. The arm adjusted automatically. We are within spec.
Needs to move slightly to the left.
Got it. Looks aligned now.
Secure the bolts.
The torque is correct here. Confirmed on the checklist. Acknowledged. The next set is ready.
Torque is set on this one. Double check the alignment.
Looks good on the schematic. Go ahead and start the next row.
The alignment needs adjustment on the far panel. Use the laser guide.
Roger that. Making the correction now.
Check the alignment on section 3.
Looks symmetrical. Tablet confirms 5000 Kelvin.
Just confirm the connections before I finalize this panel.
Illumination is stable. Looks excellent.
Check the thickness on panel 7. Looks good. Consistent coverage across the board.
The finish quality is perfect on this section.
Agreed. Confirm on the tablet.
Is the flow rate optimized for this section? I see a slight variation here.
Yes, I just adjusted the parameters. The gloss is perfect now.
Lower it 50 millimeters. Steady now. Alignment confirmed on screen 3. We are good to proceed.
All right, slowly ease it forward. We're almost there.
Clear on the gauge.
Clear on the gauge. Looks good.
Copy that. Locking the assembly now.
Millimeter precision on the left side.
Confirmed. Lowering sequence engaged.
Checklist item 4B confirmed.
Reading matches the tablet.
Suspension's looking good on this side too.
Align the hydraulic lift to position 4. We are clear for engagement.
Engaging now.
Gauges are reading stable.
Keep it moving 50 meters out.
Alignment check is green.
Clear the line. We're cycling back.
Check the alignment on this marker. It seems slightly off.
I see it. The axle position needs minor adjustment according to the panel data.
Axle seating looks good here. What are the alignment figures?
Confirmed. Alignment is within tolerance at 0.02 degrees.
Torque is spot on.
Check suspension compression at station 4.
Data aligns with specs. Brake clearance is nominal.
Confirming final approval.
Keep it moving 50 meters out.
Alignment check is green.
Clear the line. We're cycling back.
We're falling behind schedule. Pick up the pace.
The alignment is spot on. Moving to the next section.
Clear path ahead. Keep pushing.
Lock it down now. Copy that. Locking it down. The final inspection is complete. Excellent work, everyone.
The Canton gauge is spot on through this section. Confirmed. The automated measurements agree. Ready for operation.
Look at that finish. Absolutely flawless.
And the alignment here is perfect. They did an incredible job.
It's truly magnificent, isn't it?
The gold finish is perfect. A real achievement.